Yo, what's going on, fishing friends? It's your boy Dan the Fish Man, back at you again with another fishing video. Sitting on my Old Town Autopilot 120 with the spot lock technology. Big shout out to Old Town. This thing is an awesome loot, absolute tank. Hey guys, I'm headed out Bay Pines and I'm gonna go to John's Pass. I'm rolling over to the pass. The water's super clear and it's super flat day, so I'm gonna run right over to the pass and see what I can get into. If you haven't lately, get up, get out, and go fishing. It's a beautiful day to do it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I gotta drop my rudder. There we go. And let's see what we can do. We got some guys out here getting on the trout. Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, guys, just got to the pass. Actually threw my life preserver on, just in case. Got the Pompano jig, and I'm just gonna troll the pass. I'm actually gonna slow down a little bit. Just gonna jig the pass here. Let's see what we can do. Just gonna hit this north heading once I get to where I want to be. Aim it up, hit the north heading, and it should keep me right there. All right, guys, we're in the pass. There's Hubbard's. Just cruising. I'm gonna set up here, try to stay out of some people's way, see if I can jig for a few minutes. My first time out here in this heavy current, so I don't know how long my battery will got. But we'll give it a shot. Probably jig for a half hour, 45 minutes, and then start headed back in. I don't want to get stuck out here. Let's go. All right, guys, run to the bridge. All right, guys, in the pass, doing a little jigging. Spot locked up. Trying to stay out of the boaters and jet skiers way. And the fishermen. So, let's see what we can do. I got the 1/2 ounce pink and pink. You already know. We already know what's catching them, so why mess with anything else? Incoming tide. Going towards the bridge, so we're just jigging away. I don't know what we got here. Something sideways. Jack, sideways. See ya. GoPro, stop recording. All right, guys, we're gonna jig out of here. Fished here for a little while, no luck. Stopped and took a break and fished some more. Caught one little jack. So it's been a nice day out here. I'm gonna move back in towards the backwater, the Bay Pines area. Jig a little bit on my way in. See what we can do. Everybody's out here fishing. Got the whole crew out here. Let's do it. Nice little Spaniard. How cool is that? The bridge going up. Pretty sick. I'm right under it. But that means a big boat's coming, so I gotta get out from underneath it. Hey, dolphins. All right, guys, we're gonna make a little run in just past these two islands here. I'm gonna fish in this one and this one, and then head back to the launch there. Pretty good start to the day. Not exactly killing it, but it's a great day. Just sort of stretching the legs on the new kayak, enjoying it, and just having fun. So get up, get out, live your best life. I'll see if we catch some fish on the way back to the flats over there. Let's go. Guys, I'm just dropping this nub. White DOA nub, no tail. Got the spot lock on. Just gonna jig it. Oh, nice sea bass. Oh man, that's a fat sea bass on the jig. That actually might even be a keeper. Oh, my board. That's awesome. Sea bass city. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Bad sea bass. 10-inch sea bass. Beauty. Let's get some more of those. That was fun. On the little nub. On the nub rig. Lost spot lock. Man, it was just sitting there and they hit it. Oh, a little pinfish. I might use him for bait. Perfect. Oh, crap. Oh, I got a nice one. Oh, a nice one. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh. Found him. All right. Speckly. Love it. Got one. Oh, what is this? Jumping trout? Oh, lady. One more? Hey. Old Town Autopilot. Gosh. I don't care. If you're... Oh, did he land in the boat? No, he came out. All right. Don't sleep on the ladyfish. GoPro, stop recording. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you a real quick knot. I call it the quick knot. I don't know. You just... It's like two or three, like three of these overhand knots. Overhand knots like that. So it looks like this. Then saturate it, and then just pull it tight. Cut off your excess, and you got yourself a functioning knot. I wouldn't put it through the guides, but it's strong. I've caught big fish with it. Check it out. All right, guys, I've been out here for about 3 hours on the autopilot, and I'm testing my battery here, and it's just going all the way to the red. I mean, I've been spot locked in John's Pass. I've been running on 8 or 9, so this is crazy. This Dakota lithium battery is a game changer. I don't really have a way to monitor how much I'm using or what I've used, so I'm trying to be careful right now. But once I figure out how far I can stretch this thing, I'm gonna be gone, that's for sure. Let's go. I just started jigging and something absolutely crushed it. I'm gonna take this off spot lock. Came out of the water. What is it? Speak Spanish? Oh, huge ladyfish. Oh, he took my jig. Man. Ugh. Crud. We all know about that Hungry Howie's. Cold. With the Cajun crust. Oh man. That'll get them chummed up. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. I saw this little sand area, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll try to jig for a little bit. The paddle tails weren't working. And that ladyfish absolutely destroyed the pompano jig. So that's a good sign. Oh, there's another fish. I don't know what it is. 2 casts, 2 fish. Lizard. Oh, little sand perch. Those are pretty. Nice. Just across the channel. Back into safe waters. At least should be safe waters. I don't really use 10 too much except for when I'm crossing the channel. I figure it's the best time to get across quickly. Well, let's see what we can do in this area. Work here for a little bit and then call it a day. See if we can add a couple more trout to the mix. Let's go. I'm not sure what the heck I got. I might have some grass. Rock. I knew it. All right, guys, I'm gonna start heading back to the launch. I'm going to troll this paddle tail on my way back. See if we can catch something good. This bad boy goes on 10. What am I doing? 3.6 into the wind, into the current. 3.6 miles per hour. That's pretty good. Oh, got a good hit there. All right, fishing friends, that does it for me. Another great day on the water, fishing John's Pass, multi-species trip, fishing on my Old Town Autopilot 120 with the Minn Kota power drive. Awesome day on the water. Got to shoot out to John's Pass. Got some jacks, ladyfish, got a mackerel out there. I think we got trout on the inside. All sorts of different stuff. A ladyfish. Oh, we got the sea bass. We had a really, really great multi-species day. Looking forward to get out there again on the kayak again soon. Probably going to be doing some offshore fishing here in the next couple of days. We finally got some clear weather, so that's going to be awesome. So I'm going to drink some water, load this bad boy up, and go hang out with the family. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do. And until next time, tight lines, y'all.